What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Anyway, I got a Tesla. It's super easy, a little bit frustrating, because when you need something or a question, it's very hard for them to give you a call back. Yes, that's my dog. I have a boxer, pure breed boxer. He's at 4 months. Well, anyway, I ordered it. Everything is done. Delivery date is today, all right, at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to get ready. Everything is done. It's paid for. And all I got to do is just go check it out and then take delivery of the Tesla. And we'll go from there. This is my first Tesla. I've never had a Tesla before, and it's going to be an experience. So it's going to be a learning curve for me. I don't know anything about it. I am watching videos, so I'll learn along the way. And anyway, I'm going to see you guys once I get to the Tesla dealer and pick up my car. I'm excited. Can't wait. All right, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, guys, I picked up my Model Y. I'm in it right now. I set it all up. I got everything done. I checked the whole car, and she's fine. They told me I gotta name it. I ain't gonna name none yet. I don't know. But anyway, here she is. It's nice. I'm gonna get everything's working with these things that are showing cars over here, whatever that is, the navigation. But yeah, so it's at 55% state of charge. I guess they didn't give me full charge, which is 175 miles, which is good. And that's it. Now we're heading back home, and we'll go from there. Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited. My first EV. First EV. This is the Model Y dual motors. Dual motor. I think I said it right. But yeah. All right, I am excited. Different than the BMW. Way different. But yeah, let's see how the auto. I guess auto steer not enabled. Go to autopilot settings. I don't know. I guess I got to be stopped to do it. I have no idea. But yeah, well, different experience. It drives smooth. I mean, a little bit noisy, but I guess. But other than that, it's real smooth. The steering wheel is nice. Feels very firm. I got to get used to the let go of the gas, and it brakes on its own. It does the braking on its own. You know, that's new to me. And I don't know. Let's see. Let's have some fun with this car. And some road trips. I'm going to experience my first supercharging. Maybe I'm going to do it tonight to try it and see how it is. And then I'll set up everything at my house. But so far so good. I still got to adjust the mirrors and adjust the seats, so I'll go from there. But yeah, so far so good. I'm liking it. Here she is. Alright, so I gotta get comfortable with this. I have the full self-driving, the FSD. It's activated. I had to wait till it goes to 25 miles. I don't know how many miles I got, but everything's working. She drives awesome. What else? So right now I'm testing it out. It's doing its own thing. It's stopped. It's gonna make its own turns, and we'll go from there. So so far I left the place with 53% state of charge. It's at 51, and I already went almost what do we got left? 9 miles. I went 19 miles with 2%. So I guess that's good. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if that's good. So once I get home, I'm gonna mess around with the screen over here and get it all adjusted, and then I'm gonna go and try the supercharger for the first time. I know I could charge it at home, but I don't have anything yet done, connected yet. So I'm gonna go to the supercharger and go get it charged. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I took over. Yeah, I just want to get the feel of driving the car. It's nice. I like the steering because you could adjust the steering to be stiff, normal, and I like it because that's how it was on my other car. Yeah, the FSD is good. Just one turn over here that was very difficult, very difficult, that it struggled a little bit. So I don't know. I can't say it's not good or didn't do it because this is my first Tesla I ever owned, and first fully electric vehicle. So I'm in the Tesla fam, or what do you call it, the electrified fam, something like that. But yeah, so far so good. So far, I am really liking it. I really am. So it is very smooth. The suspension is smooth. It's not hard, and yeah, that's it. Once I get home, I'll take the screen protector off the screen and look around the vehicle. You know, get used to it. So yeah. I can't wait to do a road trip and use the supercharger station. But like I said, I am gonna go use one tonight. I'm gonna go try it. But I think they said the lower the state of charge, the better. So I'm at 51. So I guess I should drive it a little bit and then charge it. So we'll see. I'll watch more videos. Alright, this is my first time supercharging the car. It's giving me options here. Play while you wait. I don't know. I'm going to try to see if I could put some YouTube on. This is very interesting. Since I don't have the thing set up at my house yet, I figured I'd come here and supercharge here now. Get it charged up at least to 70%. And then by Monday or Tuesday I should have everything done. But yeah, she's all hooked up. She's charging. I gotta figure this out how it works. And that's it. We'll go from there.